On Saturn, with the magnifier, welcome to SaturNifier. Please click and subscribe to stay up to date with my latest videos. Thank you. Crackers, peanuts, popcorn, candy, potato chips, cereal, she has some crackers. He has some peanuts. She has some potato chips. He has some candy. She has some cereal. He has some popcorn. What does Lynn have? Lynn has some peanuts. What does Jim have? Jim has some crackers. What does Ted have? Ted has some potato chips. What does Sam have? Sam has some popcorn. What does Pat have? Pat has some cereal. What does Kate have? Kate has some candy. Well done, everyone. Please watch the video over and over again and review the lesson. As you know, practice makes perfect. Don't miss a thing. Please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Thank you.